Who's ready for some brisket? Let's get into it. We're going to use this marinade from Papa Jack's as a binder. So much flavor in that little bottle. Going to keep it nice and simple. Hit it with the black pepper. And then some Montreal all-purpose seasoning. I like seasoning on my food. You always want to pat your meat, not rub your meat. Let all those flavors marinate together over the next 8 to 10 hours. Man, I wish we had smell-o-vision. I'm going to cook this low and slow on a Louisiana grill. Low temp, high smoke, max flavor. I like to sit it on top of a pan so we can collect all those delicious juices for later use. We're going to pull this off around 170 degrees internal temperature. Wrap it up in butcher paper with all those juices you collected during the cook. We're going to get it wrapped up nice and tight. Back on the grill for 2-3 hours. Tender probe or hit that magic number. You've done the hard work now let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. Let all those juices reabsorb back into the meat and get redistributed. And it doesn't hurt to add some extra. Now somebody come look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Let the oohs and ahs begin. This is why we cook this low and slow. Look at that smoke ring. Follow these steps and your brisket will come out tender and juicy. Your family and friends will enjoy.